Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take MBTI test in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Winter Frost season event is over in Heartopia, and now there is an update, but it's just a little update. In this update guys, you'll be able to reveal your MBTI type. If you want to know your MBTI type, you can go to this menu, the event menu, select discovery and select the shape of you. And here you can reveal your soul in Heartopia. And this task will be available start from March 13 until April 5. And if you want to take the task, you can click on go, and there will be 16 questions that you need to answer to know about your MBTI type. You need to choose the answer according to yourself. Once you're done completing the answers, you will get the result. And wait, let me show you my result, guys. I've already taken the the test. Okay, wait. I'm going to show you my result. Okay, my MBTI type is INTJ or the Master Architect. You can retake the test if you're not satisfied with the result. Okay, I'm going to return. Okay guys, and that's how we can take MBTI test in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!